how to mute someone on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mute someone on Twitter. First you go to Twitter and then go here and let's search for someone like this one here. Click on it, and now all you need to do is just click this icon, these 3 points, click on it, and then just click here, mute, and then click here, and as you see this account has been muted. And that's how mute an account on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.